Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing a chicken pot pie. Stick around. Alright, I've had this chicken brimming overnight, and we're going to put it on the grill and roast it to add a little smoky flavor to our pot pie. So I'm going to get this out on the grill. It's not really nice weather out today, so probably won't get any footage of the grill, but no, I'm gonna roast this on the grill, trust me. Alright, we got the chicken in off the grill. Beautiful, beautiful color. It's gonna be a shame to rip it up, but it's gonna be ripped up into something super delicious. Stick around. I'll bring you back for the next step. Alright, this is the meat that I'm going to use from the grilled chicken that I had. I used a couple of chicken breasts and one thigh and a wing. Just a little bit of the meat. It's just one pie, don't need a whole lot. We'll make something else out of the rest of it. You never know. Leftovers was a wonderful thing. Don't toss them out. You can always make something else. So, pretty much like I did the beef pot pie. We're gonna make a roux. Use chicken stock and add this to it. The roux is for the thickening there. Of course, you know the chicken broth is for the chicken, the flavor. We're gonna add maybe some more bouillon to it to give it a little more chickeny flavor. We got some veggies, some carrots, some celery, onion, and potatoes we're gonna put in here as well. Let me get that started and I'll bring you back. Alright, we got flour and oil in here, equal amount. And what I have is 3/4 of a cup of flour, 3/4 cup of oil. We're just gonna cook this flour. We're gonna make a blonde roux today. We're just gonna cook this flour long enough for it to cook that raw flour flavor out. We don't want any real dark color to this. We just want a blonde roux, just for the thickening purpose of it is all. Excuse me, I'm having a problem talking today. Stick by. Alright, got that where I want it. We're going to add some seasoning blend, just for a little extra flavor. Stir it up very quick. Just stir. This is going to be real simple recipe. We got our frozen vegetables over here. Put that to the side. Just go for a second. Get our chicken stock. Start this party off right. I got about 1.5 containers of here. Put a little bit in. And you definitely want to have, when you go a hot roux, you want cold liquid going in there. That'll keep you from having lumps. Let me tell you, hot roux, hot broth, anything hot liquid, yeah, you're going to get lumps. Good. And we're going to keep this party going. Get our cream for our chicken pot pie together here. When I get everything together, I'll bring you back. Alright, sorry about the audio. I added a little bit of my seasoning package as you saw. I've added my veggies, and we're just gonna bring this up to heat. Start our thickening on that, and we'll add our chicken. This is a real simple process, not a whole lot of stops. Oven heating up, not a whole lot of steps there. I'm telling you, my English is bad today. But we're gonna keep stirring this until it starts to thicken up. Then we'll add our chicken. When I get to that point, we'll bring you back. All right, got a little thicker here. I've added some chicken base and a little mushroom base, just for a little extra flavor, and to add some salt to this. Just give it a taste. Beautiful. I love that. I love it when the flavors come together. I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken stock to this. Get it just a little bit looser. And now we're going to add our chicken and the rest of our veggies. Looks good. Dump our chicken in. Looks awesome. Turn this down a little bit. We're gonna go to a simmer. A low simmer. This looks good, smells good. And what I'm gonna do, got my carrots over here. I'm gonna slice these taters up a little bit. Do that off camera. I hope y'all don't mind. Just to add a little bit more, stretch my carrots, my potatoes out a little bit. Beautiful. Check them out, y'all. Toss that in. And you tell me that don't look awesome. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Turn this down, or better yet, turn that off. And we're gonna get our crust ready. Stand by. All right, you may remember how we did the pie crust. I got the pre-made, and I think I said last time I was gonna make my own. Oh no, headache. All right, we got that part taken care of. Beautiful. We're gonna get our filling, bring it in for the final touches. All right, got a ladle. We're gonna be all kind of friendly with this. Fill it up to the rim. Don't be selfish, don't be stingy. There's plenty to go around. We even got some leftovers. We're gonna make a meal with another pot pie. I always make one for a friend. I got a buddy in mind. Anytime I cook, he's always talking about, hey man, hook a brother up. It's like my little brother. There we go, looks good. Get this other crust out. Get this set to the side so we can unravel it. Hopefully we don't drop it. Man, that would hurt myself in something terrible. Have you ever cooked something? Looks absolutely gorgeous. You're taking it out of the oven and oops, it hits the floor. I've done that. It was all bad. Here to tell you, feelings were hurt. People went hungry. Just that simple with the pie crust. Let it sit out, room temperature, so it's manageable to work with. Trust me, I've brought these out before and, well, it wasn't such a pretty sight. Rips, tears, yeah, it was all bad. But we're gonna do this. Just stick it down. Press it up against your other crust a little bit. Put a little seal to it. You can go through and make all little fancy crimps to it if you want to. It's all about how you want it to turn out for yourself, you know. Got that. Looks good. Now for that escape steam, we're gonna cut a couple of slits in it. Don't do like me and just go all willy-nilly and be all over the place. You can make it dead center. Make it where you want to. That's what I did. I made it where I want to. We're gonna put a little glaze on top of this. We're gonna take a little milk and brush that up so we help it brown a little bit. Now you can use an egg wash, butter, combinations of all three of these, or you can just go with the milk. Less waste, because if I use egg wash, I'm not gonna use it all. So that's just pretty much wasting the egg. And milk does an awesome job. It'll cook up, brown up, give it a nice little toasty look. Trust me, I've tried it before. Make it all wonderful. Don't worry about the puddles. It's gonna cook in. Trust me. Big John ain't gonna take you wrong. So, I got my oven preheated for 400 degrees. We're gonna run this about 15-20 minutes. All we need to do is to cook the crust, brown it real nice. It won't take long. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Stick around for the final look. All right, she's out the oven, looking very delicious. Smelling good. Yeah. I think she's gonna be an awesome piece. Beautiful. Oh man, it It smells smoky. This, I believe with all my heart, it's gonna be awesome. Look at that. That's beautiful. It smells awesome, all smoky. Man, give this a taste. Hot. My friends, you can't go wrong here. Chicken is tender, smoky, delicious. Season just awesome. Veggies, this is truly hot, but the veggies are on point. If you give this a try, you're gonna love it. And with that said, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about it. Leave me a comment, because this is awesome. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.